We've got our thumbs up drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
We've got robots moving autonomously on the field. Some game piece placement on both sides. Looks like we have, 2 cubes placed for blue, and a cone and a cube, and another cube placed for red. 2262 balanced on the Red Alliance charge station. 88 has tilted the Blue Alliance charge station, but it's teleop time. Robots racing to center field, trying to pick up some game pieces. Osram yoinking that cube away from the Blue Alliance, for the Blue Alliance, and bringing it over to the Blue Alliance grid, tossing it into that hybrid node. 88 reaching out and placing a cube onto the top row with lightning speed. Meanwhile, on the Red Alliance, TJ squared has a cube in their possession and seems to be trying to score it for the Red Alliance. Their partners Fusion pushing a cube into the bottom row for the Red Alliance. TJ squared grabbing another cone in their intake, and Osram with a cube racing back over to their Blue Alliance grid, tossing that cube into the hybrid node, and 88 slamming into the wall and reaching up, spinning their intake around, trying to place that cone. We'll see if they can get it. And they've tossed it into the the top row in the cube slot. Osram, meanwhile, tossing another cube into the hybrid node. TJ squared, placing a cube into the hybrid node for red. Meanwhile, TJ squared the first, trying to place a game piece for the Blue Alliance. Looks like they may be having some trouble with their intake wrist, though. Osram coming in hot with another cube in their possession, and they place it into the hybrid node. Tough Techs reaching out, trying to place that cone on the top row for the Blue Alliance, and they just squeak it out. TJ squared, looking to place another cube into that hybrid node for the Red Alliance, and they've got it. Robo Panthers with a cube in their possession. Looks like they may go for the mid row. We'll see where they go with that cube, and if they can get some more links scored for the Red Alliance. TJ squared seems to be having some issues. We've got 30 seconds left in the match, so we'll see if we see some balances on the charge stations for each of these alliances. These robots are really driving fast and hard into the sides of the field today. 88 scoring one more game piece in the hybrid node and tilting the Blue Alliance charge station down so their alliance partners can join them up on the charge station. Fusion, meanwhile, doing the same on red. Robo Panthers trying to make it up there with them, and TJ squared trying to squeeze in on the corner, and can they get it with 1 second left? They're just hanging over the edge with their partners Fusion. We've got 2 robots up for blue. All right, we've got scores coming up on the board, and it's the Red Alliance with the win. With a score of 81-77, the Red Alliance will be going home with 3 ranking points, and the Blue Alliance will be going home with none.